All right, friends. So to make our Google Sites, we need to do a little bit more extra work than what we would normally do um, because I can't just send it to you as an assignment. So we're first going to go to google.com. I'm already there, but what you would do is type in your search bar, right? You navigate to Google. In the top right corner, you should see a little picture. For some of you, you may already be signed into your Mastery account. For example, I do have a student account here, so you would see that in the top right corner of your screen. I'm not in my Mastery account, so I'm going to select that, make sure I'm on my Mastery account. You're then going to click on this waffle, right? It looks like a square of squares. You're going to click on that, and you're going to navigate to what says sites. So it kind of looks almost like a little film clip or like a film marker. It's purple. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to Google Sites. Make sure again that in the top right corner, you're still signed into your Mastery account. For example, here, mine automatically switches me over to my personal account. You shouldn't have this problem, but again, just be extra careful. Make sure you have the Puma M and then your name. So you can see here, I already have some Google Sites because I've made some through my Mastery account before, but we are going to create our own. You can start with a blank site or you can start with a template. So if you click on this drop down arrow here, you'll see these different templates. A template just allows you to have kind of like a pre-made site. So for example, if you're somebody using mostly photos, you might want to use the photo portfolio. If you're using or making a business site, you might want to use this one that says salon or restaurant or dog walker. See, there's a whole category for business, category for work, personal. So if you're doing like a blog or something about your hobbies, education. So same thing, you might want to use this for like a club, or if you're talking about a hobby or something that you do, or if you want to completely create your own, you can go with a blank. I'm going to select blank, which many of us will probably choose, and then it's going to take you out to your blank site. Now, for today, I'm going to give you the ability to start kind of navigating the different tools that are here. But the first thing that you want to do is you want to share this with me. So you're going to go to the top right corner. It's going to say share with others. We're going to click on that little person. It's going to give us a plus sign, and you might click on that and notice that it's not letting you select it. That's because you want to title your site. So for right now, everybody's going to put their last name. So my last name is Grice. I'm going to put Grice, and I'm going to put semester project for now. Later, we might change this to the name of our websites, but for right now, just put your last name and then semester project. So we've done this. You then should be able to click on share with others, and then you're going to share it with me. So my email address is right here, but I'll type it out so that you see it. So it's marybeth.grice@masterycharter.org. Now, once you've done this, you want to make sure that you have this set so that I can edit it. So you're going to see an option here. Right here it says owner, but I'm going to change it to editor. I'll show you what this looks like with my personal account so that you can actually see this option. So right, if I were to share it with me, right here it's going to say editor. That's what we want. We want to make sure that I can actually edit it, and this is just so that I can go in and see what you're doing and help you out if you need me. If you don't add me as an editor, I'll only be able to view it. I'm not going to be able to actually actively help you with what you're doing. Once you've done that, you're going to click on send. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't need a copy of this, but you're going to click on send, and then I should get an email saying that it has been sent to me. If for some reason I don't get it, it means that my name was sent wrong, or we just didn't type the right thing. So if that's the case, you can go back and share it again. If you are somebody who is seeking some feedback from some other students in the class, so if you are collaborating with somebody, even if we're all doing our own websites, which we are, you can also add those folks up here and just make sure that they are added as editors as well. That's it. Once you have done that, you are good for today. I will check my email and make sure that I have received a website from you, and then you can start getting creative with some of the tools that are here.